Here we are at the Hockrell Homestead, Saturday, December 10th. The trusses have arrived. And we've got plumbing is supposed to be done. I see pipes out here, so it's not looking so good. Nothing can really happen with all this weather we keep having. So much rain. Some plumbing is done, but not all of it. It's amazing how many comments I'm getting on the wall installation about the, footings being gravel. So let me just do a little disclaimer. There was a soil scientist that came out and approved the density of the soil before the gravel footings were put in. The gravel footings are 18 inches deep in most places, and I think a little bit deeper in some areas. Plus, there's a structural engineer who is involved in the making of the walls, how the walls are placed, and how they're put together. So, rest at ease, people. Here's the plumbing. Plumbing is being done, but not completed yet. Looks like bathroom here. Have no idea what those two are supposed to be. I don't know what all this is. Kitchen over there. And nothing is done out yet for the septic system's going to be over there. So things are happening. And I'm hoping to start getting my wood floors to the planer, get them planed and tongue and grooved. Namaste, y'all.